1. The first computer was invented in the 19th century. 2. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer in 1822. 3. Ada Lovelace is considered the world's first computer programmer. 4. The first electronic computer was built in 1937 by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford Berry. 5. In 1941, Konrad Zuse invented the first programmable computer. 6. The Colossus computer was built in 1943 to decode German messages during World War II. 7. The first general-purpose computer, the ENIAC, was built in 1946. 8. Grace Hopper developed the first compiler in 1952. 9. The first computer mouse was invented in 1964 by Douglas Engelbart. 10. The first computer virus was created in 1971. 11. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple Computer in 1976. 12. The first IBM personal computer was introduced in 1981. 13. The first laptop computer was invented in 1981 by Adam Osborne. 14. The first computer virus to infect MS-DOS systems was created in 1986. 15. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. 16. The first website was created in 1991. 17. The first graphical web browser, Mosaic, was released in 1993. 18. The first search engine, Archie, was created in 1990. 19. The first popular search engine, Yahoo, was founded in 1994. 20. Amazon.com was launched in 1995. 21. The first web-based email service, Hotmail, was launched in 1996. 22. Google was founded in 1998. 23. The first iPod was released in 2001. 24. Facebook was launched in 2004. 25. YouTube was founded in 2005. 26. The first iPhone was released in 2007. 27. The first Android phone was released in 2008. 28. The iPad was released in 2010. 29. The first Bitcoin transaction took place in 2009. 30. Siri, Apple's voice-activated assistant, was introduced in 2011. 31. Google Glass was introduced in 2012. 32. The first 3D printed gun was fired in 2013. 33. Edward Snowden leaked classified information about government surveillance in 2013. 34. Amazon introduced the Echo, a voice-activated assistant, in 2014. 35. Microsoft introduced the HoloLens, a mixed reality headset, in 2015. 36. AlphaGo, an artificial intelligence program, defeated a human player in the board game Go in 2016. 37. SpaceX successfully landed a rocket for the first time in 2015. 38. Self-driving cars were first tested on public roads in 2016. 39. The first CRISPR gene editing clinical trial took place in 2016. 40. The first quantum computer was unveiled in 2016. 41. Donald Trump was elected President of the United States in 2016 with the help of social media. 42. The WannaCry ransomware attack affected over 200,000 computers in 2017. 43. The Equifax data breach exposed the personal information of 143 million Americans in 2017. 44. The first gene-edited babies were born in China in 2018. 45. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, went into effect in 2018. 46. The first image of a black hole was captured in 2019. 47. Facebook was fined $5 billion by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission for privacy violations in 2019. 48. In 2019, Google's quantum computer performed a calculation that would take a supercomputer thousands of years to solve. 49. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work and online communication tools in 2020. 50. Elon Musk's Neuralink demonstrated a brain-computer interface in a pig in 2020. 51. The U.S. Capitol riot was organized in part through social media in 2021. 52. Jeff Bezos stepped down as CEO of Amazon in 2021. 53. Bitcoin reached an all-time high in value in 2021. 54. The Perseverance rover landed on Mars in 2021. 55. The Colonial Pipeline cyberattack disrupted fuel supply on the east coast of the United States in 2021. 56. Amazon introduced the Astro robot for in-home use in 2021. 57. A Facebook whistleblower testified before Congress in 2021, revealing the company's negative impact on society. 58. The metaverse, a virtual world where people can interact in a more immersive way, became a buzzword in 2021. 59. In 2022, researchers announced a breakthrough in quantum computing, achieving quantum supremacy over classical computers. 60. The Oxford comma debate continued to rage on, with some claiming its usage is outdated. 61. Microsoft announced the acquisition of Activision Blizzard, one of the largest gaming companies, in 2022. 62. The NFT craze took off in 2022, with digital art selling for millions of dollars. 63. Apple introduced a new line of MacBook Pros with an M1 chip in 2022. 64. In 2022, Google announced it will be moving away from third-party cookies to protect user privacy. 65. NASA successfully launched the James Webb Space Telescope in 2021, which will allow us to see further into space than ever before. 66. Quantum computing continued to advance in 2022, with researchers making progress towards developing error-correcting codes. 67. The concept of deepfakes, or videos that use artificial intelligence to manipulate the faces and voices of people, raised concerns in 2022. 68. The autonomous vehicle industry continued to grow in 2022, with companies like Tesla and Waymo leading the way. 69. Amazon announced it will be using drones for package delivery in select cities in 2023. 70. Artificial intelligence continued to be a major topic in 2022, with concerns over its potential impact on jobs and society. 71. In 2022, Facebook changed its name to Meta to reflect its focus on building the metaverse. 72. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, faced regulatory scrutiny in 2022. 73. The use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind continued to increase in 2022. 74. SpaceX continued to make strides in space exploration, with plans to send humans to Mars in the coming years. 75. Quantum communication, which uses quantum mechanics to send secure messages, was tested successfully in 2022. 76. The impact of social media on mental health continued to be a concern in 2022. 77. The use of biometric technology, such as facial recognition, raised privacy concerns in 2022. 78. The concept of smart cities, which use technology to improve urban living, gained momentum in 2022. 79. The use of blockchain technology continued to expand in 2022, with applications in finance, healthcare, and more. 80. The rise of online shopping continued in 2022, with traditional brick-and-mortar stores struggling to keep up. 81. The impact of climate change continued to be a major concern in 2022, with calls for urgent action. 82. The development of 5G. 83. The rise of esports, or competitive video gaming, continued to gain popularity in 2022. 84. The use of virtual reality technology expanded in 2022, with applications in gaming, education, and more. 85. The use of drones for various purposes, including delivery and surveillance, continued to grow in 2022. 86. The debate over net neutrality, or the principle that internet service providers should treat all data equally, continued in 2022. 87. The use of artificial intelligence in healthcare, such as in diagnosing diseases and developing personalized treatment plans, continued to advance in 2022. 88. The use of chatbots, or computer programs that simulate conversation with human users, continued to grow in 2022. 89. The concept of big data, or the collection and analysis of large amounts of data to gain insights and make decisions, continued to be important in 2022. 90. The use of augmented reality technology, which overlays digital content onto the physical world, continued to expand in 2022. 91. The impact of automation on jobs and the workforce continued to be a concern in 2022. 92. The development of self-driving cars continued to advance in 2022, with companies like Tesla and Google leading the way. 93. The use of machine learning, or the use of algorithms to learn from data and make predictions, continued to grow in 2022. 94. The impact of social media on politics continued to be a topic of discussion in 2022, with concerns over disinformation and election interference. 95. The rise of gig economy jobs, or short-term, freelance work, continued in 2022. 96. The use of biotechnology, such as gene editing, continued to raise ethical concerns in 2022. 97. The development of quantum internet, which uses quantum mechanics to send information securely, continued to advance in 2022. 98. The use of voice assistants, such as Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant, continued to grow in 2022. 99. The impact of artificial intelligence on creative industries, such as music and film, continued to be a topic of discussion in 2022. 100. The future of technology continued to be an exciting and rapidly evolving field in 2022, with endless possibilities for innovation and growth.